This is moldavite with quartz crystal in the key of G, the throat chakra, for divine listening, truth, faith, and trust. Hi, I'm Bernadette Yao, and I'm a sound and energy therapist. And I just wanted to show you a few of my bowls and also just to welcome you and to hopefully inspire you to come and join us on our workshop coming up. So sound therapy is a non-invasive and effective way to aid in cultivating a healthy lifestyle by easing you into a deeply relaxed state where healing can happen. Research has shown sound therapy to be an effective tool to counter chronic stress, which may slow down the aging process, boost your immune system, and calm your nervous system. So sound can also recharge our energy and help us feel more focused, happy, and support our creativity. Restoring our energy flow improves our overall health by unblocking stuck energy and allowing the equilibrium in our holistic system. In the current stressful climate of the pandemic and the political and cultural divisions, cultivating a meditative practice can be very useful in bringing more calm and peace to your day. So if you are experiencing anxiety and stress, sound therapy and meditation can be a transformative method towards living your life with calm, balance, and purpose. I design and lead guided meditations and sound baths using my collection of powerful Alchemy crystal singing bowls, which are made of quartz crystal infused with precious gemstones, precious minerals, and precious metals such as gold and platinum. So I have 3 of these bowls set up in another room. So let's go check it out. So these are just 3 of my Alchemy crystal singing bowls that I have in my collection, and they are true tones. So because I'm a musician, I use these bowls. I'm using them right now to create my next album of healing music, dance music, chant music, music to just soothe and calm the nervous system, but also bring joy and vitality to the listener. So this one is one of my newer bowls that I received. It's Abalone White Light Aura, and it's in D sharp. So abalone is cleansing, purifying, calming, soothing our emotions. Just breathe in, take a deep breath, relax the jaw, relax the forehead. Just take in the vibrations of this frequency. So this is quartz crystal infused with abalone shell and gold, which helps us to deal with emotional turmoil, enhancing feelings of peace, love, and compassion. It's a perfect companion for survivors of traumatic experiences. It also supports the protection and balance of our emotions. Now, it also is infused with gold, and gold is known to enhance self-esteem, artistic expression, and promote prosperity. It's also a softer, subtler, yet higher frequency that enhances self-confidence. So just breathe and take that in for a moment. Let's move on to, let's move on to charcoal platinum. So charcoal platinum, look at this. It's so beautiful and very iridescent. So it supports clarity, personal vision, and release of physical and emotional and spiritual toxins. It neutralizes positive ions to improve overall holistic health. Breathe. Set your intention for what you would like from this healing session, this very brief healing session, by connecting with your ears and your senses, all of your senses, feeling that vibration from this charcoal platinum bowl. Charcoal can help uplift and remove negative states of being. This also has platinum in it and has you can see that pastel rainbow elegance. And this transmits yin energy, feminine energy. It stimulates the divine feminine. And platinum relieves stress, diminishes depression, while aligning the intuitive and emotional body. This one is actually tuned in G sharp, which supports the thyroid gland. So when you come to my workshop, I actually play these bowls for guided meditation, and towards the end, I do a sound bath where I'll have maybe 4 or 5 or more bowls that I play without talking. So you can really take in the energy and the sound frequencies of these intervals, which are also very powerful. And then I use my healing voice, because I'm an energy healer. I send vibrations of healing and frequencies that support your overall health and wellness. So this is charcoal platinum in G sharp. And another one I'll show you is kyanite. This is this beautiful blue bowl in A sharp. And kyanite is known for energy healing, energy clearing, actually, harmony, and strengthens intuition. Kyanite is powerful in energy clearing, and it creates pathways of consciousness where formerly there were none. Bridging auric and emotional blocks between individuals, it clears, opens, and activates all chakras simultaneously and instantaneously. A sharp stimulates the pineal and pituitary glands. So as a musician and a certified Brennan Healing Science practitioner, I've learned how to use the notes, the frequencies, the intervals. And also I work with energy from the sound frequencies, from my energy centers, connecting with universal energy. And also crystal, gemstone, precious metals, energy, all combined to create the ultimate in sonic baths at the end of every one of my sound and energy meditations and workshops.